How much bad is enough bad for you to procrastinate? Well, seems like I have not been able to encircle the boundaries around the same idea even for myself. From the last 2 weeks, there has not been a single video on this channel. Why, you might wonder? Because of the same question I just asked you. How much bad is enough bad to procrastinate? It's not like I was rotting in the bed doing nothing. Okay. I was partially rotting in the bed because most of my work is done on the laptop, but that's not the point. I was trying to work on the script for my next video, and my crazy ass thought I could finish it without using any AI within 3 days. And I admit I was wrong. Like, not just simply wrong, but terribly wrong. And you know what? The irony about it is, the original idea about the video was using AI to learn things faster. Notice the irony. Trying to write a script without using AI on using AI to learn faster. well, I built a TypeScript library, and instead of going through docs, YouTube tutorial hell, I tried using AI to learn it. And it was really good. There were many points I wanted you as my audience to know about. I wanted to show how it helped me learn faster, how it could help you guys as well. But just after a paragraph, I would either get freeze, write some pointers again, and then stop for some other reasons, like if I had a meeting or some college work, etc. Another reason might be what I was writing did not feel like my full natural stretch. And that right there is the core of the problem, isn't it? When you're trying to sound like some polished YouTuber, some productivity guru who has all their shit together, you freeze up. Because that's not you, that's not me. We are just people trying to figure things out, sharing what we learned along the way, and the moment I tried to force this script into some perfect format, it stopped being mine. So you know what? Screw it. Let me stop whining about the 2 weeks of my procrastination and actually tell you what this video was supposed to be about. How I used AI to learn TypeScript faster, and how you can use it too for whatever skill you are trying to learn. I wanted to learn this new programming language by making a project in it, right? And if you have ever tried to learn a programming language the traditional way, or even any other skill if that matters, it's a nightmare. You have got the official docs, which are technically comprehensive but read like they were written by robots for robots. Then you have got YouTube tutorials that are either 6 hours long or assume you already know what you're trying to do. And there are a bunch of tutorial blogging websites as well, where half the answers are either outdated and the other half are the people telling you that you are asking the wrong questions itself. So I thought, what if I just asked AI, since everyone is so mad behind it? Not like write my code for me, because that's not learning, that's just copy pasting, but like actually having a conversation with it, having a senior developer sitting next to you who has infinite patience and never judges you for asking them questions. So here's how it actually worked out for me. I would hit a problem. Let's say I did not understand a particular topic in TypeScript. So instead of spending 45 minutes watching a tutorial where the first 20 minutes is just simple intro and in sponsorship, I would just head towards ChatGPT and try to explain it in the dumbest ways possible. Like, what's the topic that's giving me butterflies, how I am thinking about the problem exactly, or which part is making me go merry-go-round. And it would simply just explain it in simple terms. Then I would ask a follow-up questions, and so on. You're getting my point, right? It was like having a conversation with my learning. And here's where it gets even more interesting, and this is the part I wanted to share with you guys. Using AI to learn is not about getting quick answers, it's about getting personalized answers that match where you are in your learning journey. When I was stuck on a specific implementation detail, I could just ask why isn't this working instead of debugging for an hour or searching through 15 Stack Overflow threads that are kind of related but not that quite. I would get an explanation specific to my code, my problem, and the kind of scenario that I'm writing. And here's the thing nobody tells you. Learning this way is actually faster and deeper. Faster because you are not just wasting time on information you don't need yet. You're not sitting through a 4-hour course where maybe 30 minutes are relevant to your current problem. You're getting exactly what you need, how much you need, and when you need it. Deeper because you are actually engaging with the material. You can ask your follow-up questions, you can test your understanding. It's active learning, not just passive consumption. But I feel like if there's a right way to do it, there's a wrong way as well. The wrong way is treating AI like a magic code generator. Sure, it will give you code, whatever you want, but you won't understand it, and what you won't understand, you won't be able to maintain, hence making your learning progress zero at the end of the day. The right way is treating AI like a tutor. Ask it to explain concepts, ask it to show you examples, analogies, ask it to review your solutions, code, or whatever applies to the skill that you want to learn, and tell you what could be better and why. The why is crucial here. So, why did I struggle so much with this script? Because I was trying to do the exact opposite of what I'm telling you to do. I was trying to do it the hard way because I thought that somehow made it more authentic, more real. Like using AI would be cheating. But that's stupid, okay? That's like saying you should only use a hammer to build a house because using power tools is cheating. Use the tools available to you. That's not cheating. That's called being smart. That's the smart work. Here's my actual advice for using AI to learn. 1. Start with understanding, not answers. Ask, explain this concept before give me the solution. 2. Always try it yourself first, get stuck, then ask for help. Don't skip the stuck part, that's where the learning actually happens. 3. Ask for the why. Why does this work? Why is this approach better? Understanding the reason behind solutions is what actually makes you better. 4th, test your understanding. After AI explains something, try to explain it back in your own words. Try to build something with it. If you can't, you did not actually learn it yet. Look, I'm not saying traditional learning is dead. Sometimes you need to sit with the documentation. Sometimes you need to watch a full tutorial. But for most of the learning you do, especially in tech, AI can make it so much faster and more effective. Finally, the ultimate question: how much bad is enough bad to procrastinate? For me, it wasn't that the task was bad, it was that I was making it bad by refusing to use the tools that could help me. I was stuck in this loop of wanting to make perfect content about using AI while refusing to use AI to make the content in the first place. And that's just dumb. So here we are. This is a script. Yeah, I used AI to help finish it, and you know what? It feels more better than anything I wrote in those 2 weeks of struggling alone, because now I'm actually saying what I wanted to say instead of trying to sound like what I think a YouTuber should sound like. So use AI to learn, use it to build, hell, use it to write script if that's what gets your ideas out of your head and into the world. Because at the end of the day, what matters isn't how you made it, what matters is that you made it at all. Alright, that's it for this video. Sorry for the 2-week gap, we are back now. If you're new here and wondering who this slick chick is, I'm Shivansh. I talk about freelancing, tech, and business in general. If that sounds interesting, maybe you wanna consider subscribing to this channel so you don't miss future updates. See you in the next one, which will also be imperfect, but at least it will exist. Peace.